Now, people, this monitor right here are for those esports warriors out there of you that are greedy, cuz not only do we got the 2K resolution, but we got high refresh rate. And when I say high refresh rate, I'm talking 500 hertz, cuz that means up to 2K 500 frames per second on your esports warrior. And I don't even know who's got a PC that can manage that kind of resolution at that kind of frame rate. But you've also got a lot of port options around the back, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And you've got a nice anti-reflective QD OLED panel to get rid of them unwanted reflections, but also give you that high contrast and saturation when you need it most whilst gaming. All right, now I guess we've got to start off with design, and it looks like a normal monitor. To be honest, I didn't even really see this monitor until one of the brothers told me, did I review the 500 hertz OLED monitor yet? I said, what? 500 hertz OLED and it's 2K. But yeah, in regards to design, the bezels are okay. They're not too bad. They're not too mad. And it's got the split stand, which I prefer the kind of all-in-one stand, which you can still put stuff on top of. Because when you have the split stand, you kind of lose a lot of desk space. But yeah, it is what it is. I know we're really just here for the 500 hertz. Now, going from left to right in terms of ports and I/O, you've got a little USB hub there, 2 USB ports. You've got a little USB-B port, which goes from the monitor to your PC. You've got HDMI 2.1, 2 ports, obviously. You've got 2 DisplayPort 1.4s there as well. You've got the Type-C thing, which you can also use for USB upstream to your laptop or desktop. You've got a little 3.5mm there, and obviously you got the power cable plug. Now, 500 hertz at 2K resolution is a wild statement, fam. 500 hertz on any resolution is a wild statement. 0.03 milliseconds response time as well. It's got me stuttering on my voiceover for this very monitor, family. It's even got DCI P3 99% of the color gamut. So if you did want to use it for some color grading, some video editing, photoshopping, or them things there, you can be happy and confident to know that the colors you're seeing on the screen are the colors that you're actually dealing with. Now, we got AMD FreeSync on board, no NVIDIA G-Sync. To be honest, at this point, I don't even think it matters. Just trying to get up to that 500 hertz refresh rate is going to be the new challenge with this kind of monitor. We all know that 2K is the super secret sweet spot for gaming and performance. I just want to get my hands on one of these and see how fast I can get CSGO to run, fam, because this thing, yeah, it's definitely looking special. But anyway, people, just a quick hands-on first impressions. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, ding the notification bell to be in when man actually gets my hands on this eventually.